The use of drones for inspections has been nothing but a major leap forward. Inspections used to be very time-consuming, very expensive, often dangerous, and most often they're not frustrating because of the unavoidable human factor. The use of drones just eliminates all these issues. TerraStruc Energy was established in 2014 as a part of the TerraStruc group. Our focus is the design and installation of renewable energy systems. TerraStruc was one of the first companies to be enrolled under the SHANS initiative as a solar PV design and installation company. Our services include the design and installation of PV systems for residential, commercial and industrial clients. We do the operation and maintenance of these systems. Our latest addition, in collaboration with FEDS, is thermal survey and inspection services of solar PV plants. We are currently working together on the Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Solar Park, Phase 5, which is quite significant as it's 900 megawatts in size.
So since this project was in its commissioning phase, we had to capture the data as quickly as possible. So the main challenge was, of course, the short time which we had to complete this project. So to overcome that, we had to deploy multiple drones with multiple teams. By deploying multiple teams, we were able to capture as much as data in a very short time. So we had 5 days planned and we were able to complete in 4 days.
Apart from the obvious time and money saving aspects, the use of drones and especially the automated software provides us with much more usable data and accurate feedback. It removes the possibility of human error and oversight. It enables much easier, quicker and more detailed reporting.
And the main reason why we choose M300 is its reliability on harsh weather conditions, and the quality of the camera and the quality of the drone itself is really amazing. It's the most advanced and most safest drone available in the market. We didn't have any malfunctions during the flight. Everything went really smooth. Talking about the quality of the data, it is in the highest standards available in the market. That's the main reason we use M300.
The use of drones has changed the survey and inspection landscape completely, not only in solar, but in most industries where inspections are required. I can honestly say that it's been a pleasure working with FEDS on this project. I found that the drone operators are extremely knowledgeable and have an in-depth understanding of their craft. The data processing teams are really efficient. Their flexibility has been key to our successes on this project so far.